So check this out. I got the little bag attachment. All right. This is good to clean balls and also to clean some of your clubs if you have to. You know, just put them in there, rub it around. And because this has kind of like a brush effect in there, you could even add water in here. It has this fluorescent lighting here. So you could clean all your stuff, including, like I said, clubs. So after they get dirty and wet, and you're starting to you're teeing off early in the morning where there's a lot of mist. Now another thing is, not only does it clean your golf clubs, but a lot of balls are going to be going through this thing. You know, you carry this with you. Mine has an extra clip on my actual bag, so I just put the balls in there and roll it out. So this is very convenient. You could detach it, all right, if you want to lend it to your buddies. You could detach it, carry it in your pockets if you want to. And like I said, it's made of a material that's kind of very fine material, enough to actually rub. It's kind of like a dish soap sponge, pretty much. That's all it kind of looks like. So it's gonna grab onto anything you throw at it. I like that it has a clip. If you don't want to, if you want to keep your clip there, you could do that too. Attachment and reattach. Not only can you put it on a golf club like I am, but you could take it on a backpack. And it works for a lot of occasions, but mostly it's made for golf. So enjoy your golf day. I hope you guys enjoy the video.